How to search code in Shein. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can search a code in Shein. Now the process itself is simple. If you want to get the referral code, that is, you can simply open up Shein application or website, log into your account. You're going to tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen here. And here you should be able to see the option that says share and earn. Now in my case it's not here, as you can see there is no any option to share and earn, but if I swipe to the right you'll be able to see the option. So you want to make sure you swipe to the right, tap on it, and once you tap on it you'll be able to see the link there. You can simply copy it and paste it and send it to others, or you can simply tap on others option and share it using various platforms available. So this is the way that you can search or get your referral code on Shein. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.